Hey guys, so today I'll be building this PC. This is not part of my PC flipping series, although more episodes will be coming soon. This is just a separate computer, custom build for a customer. So yeah, let's get started. I'll run you guys through the password. So the total cost of the computer was about $750 AUD. So we have a Ryzen 5 5500. We've got a 651 RGB power supply. Don't buy power supply because it's RGB. Buy it because it's good. I bought this because it was on sale. It was a good value. 3600 megahertz. I think CL18 T-Force RAM, 16 gigabytes. I own this on my personal rig and it's pretty good. So it's approved by me. 1TB NVMe. Also my personal rig, pretty good. Loads Windows in 7 seconds in my personal, from what I've tried. So yeah, I'm happy with it. B450 Pro VDH Max motherboard. So decent motherboard, nothing crazy, but decent. You've got the big boy RX 5700 XT. Good graphics card, and I'm hoping that'll just go smoothly. And with this case, I'm not exactly sure cases. It's an Antec case. Got 3 RGB fans in the front, 4 RGB fans in the back. I'll show you guys after. Let's get started.
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand, bang, got my hand, call
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found. don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Okay guys, so the PC is finished. Here it is. Show you guys, oh baby. Show you guys the front. 3 fans. All finished, looking nice and clean. Let's see if it boots up. Why is it not? Okay, let's do a boot test, guys. Hopefully it doesn't explode in my face. Okay, let's see. Okay. Switch is on. Power on. Okay. So RGB fans are not turning on. Okay, that's a bit annoying. Why are you doing that? Oh yeah. There you go. Oh damn, this is nice. So at the back here there is a I'll just show you guys. At the back here there is a button for the power supply to change color. Never seen that before, but yep, rest you got red, green, blue, green, purple, blue, different shade, white, red. Yeah, so dozen colors. We'll do blue because my customer recommended wanted blue. And then let's got the RAM, fans. Show you guys that. That looks really nice. Make that blue. Look at that, damn. I'll get some shots and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.